In this video, I will show you how to see blocked emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, what I want you to do first is sign into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to click on this button on the left sidebar that says More. Once you click on it, you're going to come to Spam. Now, Spam is where you can see, this is where all the blocked emails lead to. So if you have few spam email addresses and you're looking for the blocked email address, you can find some of them here. But in order to find the detailed blocked addresses, we're going to come here and we're going to click on this. We're going to go to block. And once we click on settings and we go to CL settings, we go to filters and blocked addresses. You can see here it says the following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. So you see our blocked email here, and this is where you can find all of the blocked email addresses listed. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.